Oftentimes, we feel like we are in the middle of the wilderness. We can't see the end point, the final destination. There's confusion, struggle, restlessness. However, I encourage you to name the tension that you're currently in. Maybe you're holding worry, frustration, and desire for relief simultaneously. Maybe you're holding exhaustion, but also a feeling of blessing for getting to be with family simultaneously. Whatever the in-between is that you're in, I encourage you to take a pause and acknowledge it and name it. And in the end, even in the thick of things, in the darkness, this isn't the final end point. This isn't the end of the story. Let's ride the wave. We can have hope that there is still purpose for our lives and meaning. Continue to cling on to this hope and move